Hold on to your gadgets because AI in robotics is set to blow your mind. Imagine a world where robots not only clean your house, but also perform surgeries and explore space. By 2035, we'll have 1.3 billion AI robots, and that number could triple by 2050. So, what's making this possible? AI gives robots the ability to see, learn, move, and even talk. This multimodal AI allows robots to be super versatile, whether they're threading a needle or vacuuming your floor. From healthcare and home life to manufacturing and space exploration, AI robots are taking over tasks across industries. Need a surgery? AI robots are on it. Want your lawn mowed? There's a bot for that too. Big players like Boston Dynamics and NVIDIA are pushing the envelope, with humanoid robots becoming more lifelike and capable. But it's not all smooth sailing. High startup costs and job displacement are challenges we need to address. The future is bright, folks. AI and robotics is here to stay, and it's only getting smarter and more integrated into our lives. Stay tuned for more tech talk.